Here is knowledge-based question 5. It is on vectors in R2 and R3. Now it says draw a diagram illustrating the set of points xyz belonging to R3 where x is between 0 and 1, both included, y is greater than equal to 0, less than equals to 2, and z is greater than equal to 0 but less than equal to 3. Now this is a very important question. I would like you to answer this, make a neat sketch, and then look into my suggestion. Now, how will I do it? So let me just make a big diagram here to show you how it should be done. So we have R3 system here. So that is R3, we have 3 x's, and that is our x-axis, and this one y, and this is z. All the 3 are orthogonal. So when we say that our vector is, the question here is draw a diagram illustrating the point. The question here is draw a diagram illustrating the set of points. Now these set of points belong to R3 where along x-axis they are between 0 to 1. That means, let us say this is 0, always, origin will be 0. So every point included between 0 to 1, let's say this is my 1 unit, so that much, right? So that is 0 to 1 along x-axis. And along y-axis it is between 0 to 2. So let's say it is from 0 to 2, right? So that is along the y-axis. And along the z-axis it is from 0 to 3. So let's say it is 1 unit, 2 unit, and 3 units. Every point between this. So how will you sketch so that every point in this kind of a structure is included? That is the real question, right? So what do we do? So what we see is, let's start from the very beginning. When we say x and y, then x, if it is x and y can have many combinations, right? If x is, let us say 0, y could be from 0 to 2, including the whole line. If x is 1, then the y could be from 0 to 2, so that means including this line, right? So like this. So that means the whole area gets filled up. Do you see that? The whole area in the base gets filled up if we are assuming z to be 0 for the time being. So we fill this up. So this is the whole thing which is represented by these two. Do you understand? That x could be anything between 0 to 1 and y could be anything between 0 to 2. So the set of points will form a plane in xy, and that is the plane represented here. Now we start building up z. That means it was 0, then this is this plane. Now it builds up, so it goes from 0 to all the points between 0 to 1, then 2 to 3. That means it starts building up, right? So that means we get a structure which builds on this. So we have a structure like this coming up, right? So now you can visualize what I'm trying to do for you, right? So it will be, as you can see, everything up to 3 units will build up. So slowly it gets built up, and then we have a structure like this. So the whole rectangular box can be now filled in. So once you fill this box as such, everything inside, correct? All these things filled in. So this whole box is a set of points which will include what is given to us. So this is building on your xy plane. That is the diagram which we are expecting here. I hope you get a clear idea of how to make it and how it should look like. It does give a 3D effect if you do it nicely. So that is the concept, and you need to understand it fairly well. So if not, you need to review your concepts and then take the test. Thank you.